Alright, welcome to the channel. This is my first ever e-skate video. This is my first ever electric skateboard that I've ever brought. Hey, why not unbox it, show you guys what's inside, and this is a first time buyer's perspective. Yeah, hit that subscribe button for us, hit that like button if you enjoy it, would be greatly appreciated. First things first though, if you are going to buy an electric skateboard, pads are a must. Now a lot of people just buy a helmet and gloves. It's not enough. You will probably come off at some time. Well, you will come off at some point. So pads are a must. Hey, and good choice of these ProTech knee and elbows. This cost me $90 for these. I'll just quickly show you guys this and reasons why I actually bought these particular pads. I usually try and go for ProTech or 888 just because I like those brands, good quality. But these knee pads open up on the back, and if you've had experience with skate pads, when it doesn't have an open back like that, it's just a real pain to get them on and off. So these are really nice and easy to put on. I can put them under or over clothing, and just a really good choice. I also like the ProTech helmets, which I've used over a number of years for different skateboarding, but not electric skateboarding. So yeah, if you choose either 888 or ProTech, can't really go wrong with those brands. So make sure you're always protected, because hey, if you come off at high speed, it's gonna hurt. It's just there's no way around it. So what we have here is the Evolve GTR Carbon, and I'm just really excited for this. Hey, this was always going to be my first choice for a first board to get into the sport, and I'm going to do a whole separate video on that. So hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for us, because there will be more content coming. At the moment won't be regular uploads, but hey, you can follow me on my journey. I'll vlog a few group rides, whole lot of stuff, review this board. We'll dive deep into this hobby. There you go, you can see the GTR box. Look at that, nice box. The Evolve logo there. And let's open it up. Oh, I'm just like so excited like this. I really just want to get this unboxing under the way. So I've just changed the camera angle so I can show you guys a better look. Pull that out, nice padded cover. And look at that. What I can really say, first impressions, I have seen this at the store, because big shout out to 12 Board Store. They swapped out standard black wheels so I could have yellow wheels. I did really want the glow wheels, the glow in the dark wheels. They are my favourite because you can get glow in the dark wheels for Evolve, but I went with the yellow option. And yeah, basically that was another thing which made me choose an Evolve Carbon for my first board. They've just got a lot of wheel options, including all-terrain. Look at that beautiful grip. Love this carbon fibre deck. It just looks really nice. And I've got to say that finish on this board is absolutely amazing. Now, one of the reasons I chose an Evolve board is the double kingpin trucks, that nice deep carve. If you don't know what double kingpin trucks are, this is a standard skateboard truck there. Kingpin goes down there. So here we have a reverse kingpin. You'll see the kingpin's not straight down that way, it's on the opposite side, obviously reverse. This also gives you a deep sort of carve, as you can see by that board. And then I'll give you a look at the double kingpins there, which is a standard skateboard truck basically stacked on top of each other, and it gives another even deeper carve. How good do these yellow wheels look? I mean, I'll throw in some B-roll of the yellow wheels. I think they just look really good. Of course, got belt drive, dual belt drive. Being a bigger rider, then yeah, it's pretty important to have the belt drive. All right, let's have a look what else we get with the GTR Carbon from Evolve. This nice case there. Really nice having this case to keep everything nice. Get some stickers, user manual, which is really handy. And hey, big points here for Evolve. We get spare hardware, which I really appreciate because you always need hardware when you're skating. It's just, yeah, needs replacement constantly. This is like a vehicle, guys. You've got to replace your stuff. So big ups to Evolve for the extra hardware. Would have loved to seen a couple extra belts, but hey, we're gonna have to buy some of those. Of course, you get the T-tool. The one really cool feature of this Evolve Carbon T-tool is you get a threader. There, that's for re-tapping the thread. If you've ever stripped thread on a bolt, you'll appreciate the hell out of it. Guaranteed. Obviously, power cable. We have our charger. What is it? 2.5 amp charger. Obviously, we have safety manual there telling us blah blah. Yeah, always good to read the safety manual, guys. And of course, we have the Evolve remote. There's a charge cable and the Evolve remote. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed my first ever unboxing. It was just pretty quick and just say a little few things that I've learned about the board and that. Had to finish it on this is absolutely awesome. I'm stoked to have this board and I think it's a great first board. And if you have the money to buy an Evolve, I reckon it makes a great first board. A lot of people are Evolve fanboys and there's a reason for that. They're at the top of their game. Alright, you can probably get cheaper boards, budget boards maybe, which perform like it, but yeah, for the first ever board, I went with the Evolve because getting parts and that, I mean, a local store which does a warranty claims and that is only 30 minutes away from me. It's belt drive, it just ticks all the boxes and I'm absolutely stoked. So hey, there's nothing else left to do. Let's get out there and ride and keep carving.